안녕하세요. Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. There are many different types of side dishes that can be enjoyed with rice on Korean tables. Among them, I'm going to try making one of the national side dishes, 멸치볶음, with simple ingredients and adding one more type of nuts. I'll make a savory and delicious 멸치볶음. Let's get started. Thin slice of 10 cloves of garlic. Adding garlic to anchovy stir fry helps get rid of the fish smell and prevents the anchovies from getting too hard. Fried garlic has a sweet taste and adds a delicious flavor to the dish. Today's main ingredient is small dried anchovies. To make a tasty anchovy stir fry, use small anchovies. Put through a strainer, this removes any powder residue, resulting in a clean stir fry. Place the dried anchovies in a preheated pan and stir fry over medium heat for 1 to 2 minutes. This reduces the fish taste and enhances the flavor. Anchovies are rich in calcium, which is particularly good for bone health. Place the stir-fried anchovies on a plate. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil to the pan. Add the sliced garlic and stir fry over medium heat. Once the garlic is halfway cooked, add the anchovies and pine nuts. You can add your favorite nuts instead of pine nuts. Stir fry for about 1 minute over medium-high heat. Place the stir-fry ingredients back to the plates. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. Put 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of honey or corn syrup. Since anchovies have their own salty taste, adding too much soy sauce will make it too salty. Boil for a short time over high heat. After boiling for a short time, pour the sauce over the fried ingredients. Turn off the heat and mix all the ingredients well at this stage. If you keep stir-frying, the anchovies may become hard. Finally, put 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Mix well. Very savory and delicious anchovy stir fry is done. How was today's recipe? Today's 멸치볶음 is not too salty. And even if you store it in the fridge, the 멸치 won't become tough. If you think the video was useful, please hit the like and subscription button. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.